Hello students, today we are going to study chapter 5 and the name of the chapter is Houses We Live In. In my previous video I have introduced you with this chapter, and in this chapter the first thing that we are going to talk about is houses protect us and the importance of houses, different types of houses and materials that are used to make a house. The first question is, why do we need a house? We need a house to live in. We feel safe and comfortable inside our house. It protects us from all kinds of danger, heat, cold, and bad weather. Therefore, please again I am repeating this. Why do we need a house? We need a house to live in. How do we feel in our house? We feel safe and comfortable inside our house. What does it protect us from? It protects us from all kinds of danger, heat, cold, and bad weather. It saves us from thieves also. And now we are going to study about different types of houses. Houses are of two types. Houses are of two types. Here I will show you an image and then I will explain it to you. Look at these two pictures. Types of houses. There are two types of houses, Kacha house and Pakka house. What are the two main types of houses? Kacha house and Pakka house. And the materials that are used to make a Kacha house. A Kacha house is made of mud, straw or wood, and it is not very strong. A Pakka house. A Pakka house is made of bricks, cement, stone and steel, and it lasts for a longer time. Yes, you can see the picture. How many types of houses are there? What are the two main types of houses? The two main types of houses are Kacha house and Pakka house. And there are two more types of houses, temporary houses and permanent houses. We live in our house for many years, so we live in permanent houses. Pakka house is an example of permanent houses. It cannot be moved. Yes, Pakka house or permanent house cannot be moved. Temporary houses can be moved from one place to another. Temporary house can be moved from one place to another. And these are the examples of temporary houses: caravan, houseboat, and tent houses. Tents. Okay. These are the examples of temporary houses. Permanent houses cannot move, and temporary houses move from one place to another. And the examples of temporary houses are caravan, houseboat, and tent. Now again we'll come to some houses, the different types of some houses that we can see in our neighborhood or in our city or in our countries. Now look at this picture, a hut. This is a picture of a hut. A hut is a single story structure made of mud, wood, straw, etc. It serves as a temporary house or shelter. A hut is an example of a temporary house. Look at this. This is a building. Yes? There are many houses. There are many flats. Now look at this. An apartment is a large building containing a number of houses. This is an apartment and is a large building containing a number of houses. Look at this picture. It's a duplex. It's a house divided into two apartments with a separate entrance for each. A duplex is a house divided into two apartments with a separate entrance for each. You can look at this picture. Both the houses have separate entrance. Look at this buildings. Look at this. This type of buildings are called skyscraper. A skyscraper is a very tall building with many flats called apartments. It is usually seen in the cities, in big cities. Okay, a skyscraper is a very tall building with many flats called apartments. It's usually seen in the cities. And look at this example. This is a bungalow. A bungalow is a closer to the ground with a portico. A bungalow is a closer to the ground with a portico. Now you can ask me that what is portico? A structure built at the entrance of a bungalow, with no sides. It has a roof supported by columns. And this is, what do you mean by portico? A structure built at the entrance of a bungalow with no sides. It has a roof supported by columns. And what do you mean by single story? A building with only one floor or level. It's called single story. Yes, single story. You can say that a building with only one floor or level. This is an example of hut. These are the examples of blocks or flats. Yes, look at these buildings. And you can see the apartments. There are three more words: apartment, blocks and flats. Blocks of flats. You can see that. Yes. And this part of this video, in this part we have read about the houses, importance of houses, and then types of houses. We need a house to live in. We feel safe and comfortable inside our house. It protects us from all kinds of danger, heat, cold and bad weather. Types of houses. The two main types of houses are kacha and pakka house. Kacha house is made up of mud, straw and wood. It is not strong. Pakka house is made up of bricks, cements, iron, and it is strong and permanent. We live in our houses for many years. So we live in permanent houses. Permanent houses cannot be moved. And temporary houses can be moved from one place to another. An example of temporary houses are caravan, houseboat and tent. And we read about the types of houses, different types of houses. Single store, a hut, apartment, duplex, skyscraper, bungalow. And one more question I'm asking to you. How is your house different from that of a person living in a village? Mostly we found huts in villages. And our house is different from them that houses means our house is made up of, mostly of our houses are made up of bricks, cements, iron, glass. Yes, and in villages we found most of the houses made of mud, straw and wood. This is the difference between the houses that we found in village and in cities. Thank you, and we will discuss about the other topic in next video.